Children, welcome back to your YouTube class. Today's date is 8th and it's a Monday. So today we will be starting with our maths subject. Let's start, children. Yes, children, this is your maths book, small book. Open to page number 57 and write the date of a year 8-2-21. Today we are going to do this. The heading says count and write the numeral and number name. Before we start, children, we already finished doing this in our classwork book also. Remember now? So again we are going to do it here. Okay, children? Now let's start. Now, what's the picture? First picture is kettle. Count how many pictures are there? 1, 2, 3. So what you are going to write here in the box? 3. Number 3. And number name 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. Now how many chicks are there? Count how many chicks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what you are going to write in the box? 5. And number name 5. F-I-V-E 5. Now count how many ice cream cups are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. What you are going to write? Number. In the box 4. Number. And you will write number name 4. F-O-U-R 4. Now count how many airplanes are there. 1, 2. Write down the number 2 and number name 2. T-W-O 2. Understood, children? Now turn the page. Page number 61. Page number 61. Write down the date 8-2-21. Now count how many dogs are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write down number 6 and number name of 6. S-I-X 6. Now count how many vans are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Write down number 8. Number name. E-I-G-H-T 8. Number name 8. Count how many flowers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Write down number 7 and number name 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. Count how many books are there now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write down number 9 here and number name 9. N-I-N-E 9. So in this way you will be doing page number 61 and page number 57. Only this you will do, children. This is your maths homework, children. Yes, children, this is your drawing book. Open to page number 32. Write down the date. And page number 33, write down the date. You have to color 2 pages, children. One is tree and one is flower. So this is your homework and drawing book. Children, this is your rhymes and songs book. Open to page number 37. Today we are going to read a story. The Thirsty Crow. Let's start. One hot day, a crow was very thirsty. He looked for water here and there, but he could not find it. So he is the crow and he was thirsty. So he was searching for water. After a long time, he saw a pot. After a long time, he saw a pot. Can you see a pot over here? But there was very little water in it. There was a very little water. And the crow could not reach the water. The crow could not. He is bending also, he cannot reach the water because the water is very little. He thought of a plan. He picked up some stones These are the stones. He picked up some stones one by one and dropped them into the pot. He picked up few stones and dropped them into the water. Then the water came up to the top. Now see here children, the water level came up. He drank the water and flew away happily. Because the water level came up, so he drank the water and flew away happily. He was a very clever crow. He was a very clever crow. Moral of the story is, where there is a will, there is a way. It means not to give up till you get it. Understood, children? Yes, children. I'll show you with the flashcards over here. I will tell you the story. The story is the thirsty crow. This is the crow, and this crow is very thirsty and he is searching for water. Finally, he finds the pot and the water was very little. Little means till here it was. Then he got an idea. He picked up these stones and he put it into the pot. So the water level came up. Then the crow drank the water happily and he flew away. Understood, children? This is the story. See how he is drinking the water. When he put the pebbles, he put the stones in it, so the water level came up. The water was still here. When he picked up the stones, he dropped the stones into this pot and the water level came up. So he drank the water and flew away happily. So this is the story about thirsty crow, children. Understood? Yes, children. We finished with our work today. Today's homeworks are in English. You have to learn all these 60 hard words. Okay, children. Only you have to learn. No need of writing it. And in maths, you have to do count and write number and the number name. Okay, in that small notebook. And in drawing, you have to color 2 pages. And in the rhymes, you have to learn a story, a thirsty crow. Okay, thank you.